This literally has everything we like. I've eaten wontons in the past, of course, but ऐसे cheese onion पहली बार खा रही हूँ.
और ऐसे तो नहीं खाया.
हाँ, सड़क पे तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं खाया.
नहीं खाया.
नहीं, I was going.
ऐसा कई बार होता है कि you're getting late for something or to reach somewhere, but you still want to have a burger or some
Yeah.
nice Chinese or some wontons.
But you don't have time to sit down
Yes.
or whatever and eat all
Yes.
of that. तो ऐसी कुछ जगह हमें मिली जहाँ पर आपको रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल फूड, रेस्टोरेंट पे मेन्यू पे जो खाना होता है वो खाना सड़क पे मिलेगा.
सड़क पे, on the go.
On the go.
So should we go to the first place?
Let's go.
Let's go. So we are at Bombay Food Truck और कुछ भी करने से पहले हम पहले ऑर्डर कर लेते हैं, है ना? 1 कीमा फ्राइज, 1 Mexican veg for our vegetarian
Friends.
and followers. 1 lamb burger. So ये लोग tacos जो है ना वो कुलचा में करते हैं. And I was seeing the menu. भुना चिकन कुलचा tacos थोड़ा inviting लग रहा है.
बहुत ही अमेजिंग साउंड कर रहा
So let's do that.
है. भुना चिकन कुलचा टाकोस.
खाना आ चुका है.
वाओ.
The कीमा fries. कीमा fries.
और these are the kulcha tacos.
Kulcha tacos.
Bhuna
with
chicken.
Bhuna chicken. I'm just
I want to
starting.
start with the fries though.
Superb combination.
बहुत अमेजिंग. और ये जो कीमा है ये बाइट सेल्फ ही बहुत अमेजिंग है.
हाँ. So कीमा is थोड़ा lightly spiced है. Fries है. And cheese sauce.
What's not to like?
Yes.
मजा इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि हम सड़क पे खड़े रह के कीमा फ्राइज खा रहे हैं जबकि हमने यूजुअली कभी खाने नहीं मिलता
नहीं
हमको
मिलता
फ्राइज
खाने.
ऑन अ स्ट्रीट. Which brings me to
कीमा on street, not fries.
कीमा. कीमा पाव तो मिलता है बट कीमा ऑन फ्राइज स्ट्रीट पे तो नहीं मिलता. और डेफिनेटली स्ट्रीट पे नहीं मिलते हैं टाकोस. So loaded. There's bhuna chicken.
Oh wow.
There's a kulcha outside, and there's raw onion. And sauce. But if you like the crispy tacos, the hard ones, then this is not like that. This feels more like a bao to me.
Wow, yeah. But the fact that आपको ये food trucks पे मिल रहा है, convenience, on the go,
And the chicken is delicious.
it's yum. And it is ये कीमा का preparation नहीं है, ये अलग preparation है. Oh wow.
The raw onion is a great touch.
Always.
Always.
Honestly, I would have loved a little more spice in this.
On this? Oh, no, I like this chicken because it's a little bit sweetish. थोड़ा सा बटर चिकन वाला थोड़ा माइल्ड फ्लेवर आ रहा है मुझे.
Is it?
जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. This literally has everything we like. Fries, who doesn't like? Cheese sauce, who doesn't like? कीमा,
कीमा.
we definitely like. ये तीनों एक साथ मिल जाए तो क्या बात है.
Awesome combo.
और very filling, है ना? And this is an office area, तो अगर आप निकले हैं, आपको घर जाने की जल्दी है मगर भूख भी बहुत लगी है, it's a great thing to just pick up.
Perfect snack to order करो, pack करो, चलो.
But we should move to the next thing.
Burgers. ब्रांडिंग के साथ है.
Beautiful. Where would you expect this burger, this bun with these black sesame seeds on a street, and really crunchy looking fries? हम दोनों ने पहले fries ही खाए.
और मेरे पास कुदरती मेरे पास लैम्ब बर्गर आया.
कुदरती.
It was just kept there.
Yeah. It gravitated towards you.
I'm gonna go for it.
Go.
Lamb kind.
You need to do your cricketing position.
Yeah.
How's it?
Oh, सब गिर रहा है.
Wow. Mine is oozing of guac. It's a Mexican vegetarian burger. So it's loaded with guac, I can see.
The patty also looks superb.
This is that perfect bean patty with the sour cream and the guacamole.
Guacamole, yeah.
Sundar. Very nice.
And lamb may be nice enough sauces. Obviously guacamole nahi tha because this is a Mexican
Let's try it.
veg. Of course I will. Sorry.
Deconstructed burger. So let's actually deconstruct it. Oh,
Oh wow.
look at the bean patty. So this patty is grilled, not fried.
It's grilled, but it's बहुत अच्छा filling है इसका. I actually prefer it to the lamb burger.
You do?
Yes.
I haven't tried the lamb burger yet, but eat this, Mohit. Just eat this patty.
Nice and spicy.
Okay, my turn to try the lamb burger. And I'm going to get the patty side now. Oh, the patty is delicious.
It is. It is.
Both the burgers, the patties are outstanding and generously filled with the
Veggies.
veggies, the purple cabbage. That's so delicious actually.
Yum.
Great place, great find, and very unlike street food. I mean, it's not street food.
It's not street food.
It just happens to be on the street.
अच्छा मेरे को बता. Do you know the history of food trucks?
Nuh-uh.
मैं बताता हूँ. So the modern version of the food truck started in 1872 by this guy called Walter Scott in the US province of Rhode Island, where it was a wagon and he took it around and all that. And over there he served burgers, sandwiches and coffee.
Oh.
Yes. तो यहाँ पे भी burgers है और बहुत सारे starters यार और बहुत सारा food options हैं. Like it earlier started, the whole point of a food truck was grab a quick meal और आगे बढ़ो.
आगे बढ़ो, true. मतलब ट्रक आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा,
हम
खाने वाले बढ़ेंगे. तो अब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे actually.
चलो.
महक रहा है ये खाना.
Yes.
क्योंकि हम हैं चाइनीज स्ट्रीट चिलीज कोल्सन्स, बांद्रा वेस्ट यूनियन पार्क के पास.
खाऊं?
नहीं, ये तो दिखाने वाली चीज है. पिंक मेयो फ्राइज. अब खा सकते हैं.
Pink mayo fries made with beetroots. Crunchy fries, super crunchy.
It's a cheesy garlicky mayo, but the pink color is really popping.
And the beetroot का काम यही था कि उसको कलर देना था. And these are not your regular fries, these are crinkled fries.
और क्या है? नॉर्मली आपको चाइनीज के ठेले पे वॉन्टॉन्स नहीं मिलते.
Wontons.
So these are cheese onion wontons.
Oh,
Quite different है ना?
onion भी है.
cheese and onion wontons. So let's go for these now.
Some dips. This is a sweet. This is a sweet chili.
And what is this?
Szechuan. But मेरे को ऐसे पहले ये
खोलना है.
ये
Onion cheese.
I think garlic भी है.
Wow, Mohit. Very nice.
Oh yeah,
Superb.
superb.
I could feel it. इसके अंदर जो हरी मिर्च भी है, that is tasting really nice. I've eaten wontons in the past, of course, but ऐसे cheese onion पहली बार खा रही हूँ मैं.
और ऐसे तो नहीं खाया.
हाँ, सड़क पे तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं खाया.
नहीं खाया.
और ये है honey chili potatoes. Again, this is my honey chili is my all-time favorite preparation. Honey chili paneer, honey chili chicken, honey chili anything is great for me.
मैं वही बोलने वाला था. हनी चिली क्लासिक.
Let's see ये कैसा है. अब classic as classic could be.
और ये तीनों में ना टेक्सचर से खेला है और बहुत अच्छा खेला है. क्रिस्पी क्रिस्पी क्रिस्पी, सॉफ्ट 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 इनसाइड.
Yeah, they're all differently crispy also.
Yeah,
But my favorite at the moment is
I know, right? The wonton.
इसका even जो बाहर का coating है, it's so nice, so nice. It's not chewy and it doesn't taste stale or old at all.
It doesn't.
So honey chili का जो है एक formula है. इसमें हनी भी ज्यादा होना नहीं चाहिए और चिली भी ज्यादा.
The ratios have to be
Yeah, they have to be perfectly proportionate to each other.
proportionate. Yeah.
Otherwise, it can be too sweet or too spicy, और फिर उसमें वो मजा नहीं है.
Nah, exactly.
So, and the potato is really crispy. और by the time we actually got down to eating it, ये already थोड़ा cool हो चुका था because we ate these two first. But when these came out, they were एकदम कुरकुरी.
Nice and crispy. Yeah. So what is the best part about this place is that it's right on the street. We could call it al fresco
We
seating.
could. It is actually.
It
in
is
a
al
way,
fresco seating.
for our street.
Yes.
And,
And,
because of this pink table and the whole popping pink.
It's got a nice vibe to
Yeah.
it. Nice
It's actually a fun place and it's quite busy.
Pastry.
Lots of
orders.
orders going around. But now we can't talk more because this Jim Jam
I go for the sneaker.
clearly is going to me first.
Go.
So that is Snickers
Nut butter.
nut butter. This is a Jim Jam milkshake with little tiny cute sprinkles on top.
Yes.
नहीं, I was going to go.
Go for it. Go for it.
वो अंदर भी जिम जैम है. जिम जैम को खाने का एक ही तरीका है बॉस. वो करो साइड में.
Perfect.
आधा आधा, थोड़ा छोटा आधा है.
This is not आधा, but
ये आधे से थोड़ा ज्यादा है.
it's okay. Chivalry is not dead.
Never with you. Not that.
I don't know. वो nut butter का. But yeah, how do I like?
Side करो cream. Go deep. और literally every other place has an Oreo shake and a Kit Kat shake. मगर जिम जैम शेक मैं तो पहली बार खा रही हूँ.
हाँ, same
है
here.
ना?
First time.
So this has the peanut buttery taste because
Nut
of the
butter,
flavor.
yeah.
So it's like it does taste like a very peanutty shake. Yeah, milkshakes I feel like they're very heavy. Like I then have to only have a milkshake and I can't eat
Yeah.
anything.
नहीं, but I'm sure ये अगर सिर्फ ये पूरा पी लेंगे तो heavy होगा.
मगर ये actually इतना distinct और
But
अलग
it's-
है that I would highly recommend
Yes.
that you eat and order a shake.
Reading?
Oh, okay. Cheese fries, cheese keema fries.
8.5.
8.
8. The
Kulcha.
Buna chicken kulcha. I would
Kulcha
like
taco.
the Buna chicken kulcha taco. Sorry. मेरे को थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी चाहिए होता
Okay.
तो 7.5.
मुझे ये बाओ कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत ही पसंद है, so for me that's a 9.
Wow. The lamb burger 9.
8.
8. And the veg burger
Veg burger 9.5.
10.
Oh.
I genuinely love the patty.
मोहित वेज खाने
and,
को आजकल मतलब
No, the patty and the guac, perfect.
यू आर कन्वर्टिंग, हाँ, आई सी.
Crinkle fries 8.5.
9 for the pinky popping pink.
Okay. 0.5 for presentation.
हाँ.
Honey chili potato
8.
also 8. Wontons 9.
10. Because they're different.
Oh.
They're quite unique. Shakes?
8.5.
No, this is a clear winner for me. Jim Jam 10.
Really?
Jim Jam 10. Snickers 9.
ये उल्टा हो गया. You've been more generous this time.
On that note, we found some fancy food on the street this time.
Fancy food on the street. Yes.
But I'm sure there is innovation galore all over our country.
Of course there
and
is.
we'll find so much more on the streets that we wouldn't normally expect.
Of course. But if
So-
you all can help us and
Yes.
subscribe and comment and tell us where all to go, we will
Please comment and we will definitely check it
Ah.
out.
go. I'm still eating.
You keep eating because शो का नाम ही है आते रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए कि खाने में क्या है.
क्या है? बॉस ये नहीं ये वॉन्टॉन खाओ.
हाँ, वॉन्टॉन बढ़िया है.
चुपचाप. ये वेज है.
चला झटपट. नेक्स्ट क्या है?
ये खा ये सब.